In the ever-shifting terrain of national politics, Vice President Konstantin Chiwenga has emerged as a figure of quiet yet formidable influence. Sarabina Mashoko Branyo Wachense, Vice President Konstantin Chiwenga, the mastermind of succession politics. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina Msim Ivan Branyo Rachiti, often portrayed as an intelligence guru, he appears to have mastered the delicate and dangerous art of succession politics, turning factional chaos into a calculated pathway for his own ascent. Unlike the noisy aspirants who constantly seek attention, Chiwenga operates with measured calm. He allows rivals to overexpose themselves, revealing their ambitions and weaknesses, while he issues instructions from the shadows. His power lies not in public theatrics, but in strategic restraint. His approach is simple but effective. Observe, analyze, and exploit. Within the increasingly volatile 2030 faction camp, where alliances shift daily and internal battles intensify, he watches patiently as competitors stumble. Complaints and public outbursts, such as those reportedly voiced by figures like Daniel Gary, only to confirm the dog-eat-dog nature of the camp. Yes, Chiwenga, often referred to by insiders as Bukanya, remains unfazed, holding his cards close and waiting for the opportune moment. While others chase short-term applause and premature declarations, the vice president appears focused on long-term positioning. Each misstep by his rivals becomes an opportunity to consolidate influence and strengthen his standing. His method highlights a hard political truth. Real power is rarely loud. It is built quietly, sustained through patience, and unleashed with precise timing. In Zimbabwe's succession politics, silence, it seems, may be the loudest weapon at all. Thomas Kwanabudanya Gwapangwa Idwe, Iowa, Achononza Isaac Makomichi, Oyajide, VP Chiwenga is the mastermind of succession politics. Tudze mafunguro enyimbo tukudipa msoro, memashuko awapinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.